Hello beauties and welcome to today's video. I am so excited. We are still outside and we are talking about my top 5 lip glosses. So before we start, I want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you like this type of video, and if you've been here before, welcome back, and if it's your first time, welcome. I am Manders. This is my channel. I like to talk about makeup, I like to talk about beauty, I like to talk about skincare, and I like to just ramble. So before I start rambling, I'm definitely going to get into this, and we are gonna start. So the first one I'm going to talk about, this is a lip topper. It's a lip gloss as well, but I am wearing it on my lips right now. I'm going to put a little bit more on. It is just such a nice iridescent, it's just gorgeous. It just juices up your lips a little bit. I got this in a BoxyCharm, and I want to say thank you, BoxyCharm. You sent this to me. I am loving this holographic lip gloss, so I will definitely keep using this. It is a go-to. I like it with lipstick. I like it without lipstick. It is just so good, and I love the way it looks. Another lip topper that I do enjoy is this diamond lip gloss. This is from AOA Studio. This comes from Shop Miss A. Oh, let's open it. It has a nice doe foot applicator. It is just nice. It's got a little bit of color on there. My bad. So I actually need to wash that off. It's just a nice lip topper. It's very pretty. I do have another one of these. I just can't figure out where I put it, and I am going to order more. This was $1. It was good. Keep it up, Shop Miss A. I love some of your products. Now, these ones are not $1, but they're still pretty darn good. Now, this one is from Milani. This is in Soft Rose. This is a plumping lip gloss. It says it's a nourishing lip plumper. It's a nice light color, and it does have, like, it's colored. Like, there's color to it. And it's nice. It sits on the lips. It doesn't necessarily give the plumping feeling, but it does make your lips look fuller. I'm just going to check that out in a mirror. Yep, looks pretty darn good. So I picked this up. It was on sale. It's really good. It's honestly the only Milani products I've really ever tried are their lip glosses. I cannot wait to try out some more. But right now, because I'm on my no buy June, I will definitely not be buying any more makeup until I finish with that. So I have 2 more left. I'm just going to reach over here and grab my coffee while we chit chat. So I live in Canada. So there's a Tim Hortons coffee cup. If you've ever been to Tim Hortons, people in Canada love it. I prefer McDonald's coffee, but that's just me. Next up, I really love this Buxom lip gloss that I got in a BoxyCharm. It is plumping. I don't want to put any more stuff on my lips, but it just has a nice like tingle. It's just a nice little nude lip gloss. I like to wear it on its own for the most part. I love this. I cannot wait to try some more products from them, but because I'm on my no buy, I will not be buying things until I actually run out and need some more makeup. The good thing is I do get all my subscription boxes, so in my subscription boxes, sometimes I get gems like these that I'm like, these are staples. These are things that I just want to have, so number 4 is my Buxom lip gloss, and this is in the shade Dolly. I love the name. I just love some of these names. And last but not least, this is my Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme. I got this from Sephora. It is a trial size. I really enjoy it. I like to wear it underneath my lip glosses because this one is kind of like, it's got that intense plumping feeling. As far as does it actually make your lips look fuller, I'm not sure, but I do know that I like the way it feels, and it does give a little bit of an extra tingle before I put my lipstick on. Sorry if that didn't make any sense and I started rambling. I did warn you at the beginning, I like to talk about makeup and I like to ramble. That's just my thing. So let me know in the comments below if you like this type of video. Do you like when I do them outside, or do you like when I do them inside? And I cannot wait to do the next one. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on all the fun that we have coming, because let me tell you, I have some really fun stuff planned. So with that being said, I will let you go. I'm going to go do some fun stuff today, and I will talk to you later. I love you all for hanging out with me. Thank you guys so much. Your support means the world to me. I will see you in my next video. Bye. I'll talk to you soon.